Hi, this is Prasad sir. Now I would like to describe about sets. Sets are George Cantor is called father of the sets, and sets developed by George Cantor. That's why he is called father of the sets. Generally, sets are denoted by capital letters. That means A, B, C, D, like that. Generally, these are called elements. These are called elements. Sets are A, B, C, or like that. You can take capital letters only, and elements should be in small letters. Here B is equal to set of ABC. ABC are small letters. Sets are denoted by this type of bracket. This type of bracket is called flower bracket or curved bracket. This bracket is called flower bracket or curved bracket. In this way, sets are, we can calculate sets. See, in sets use this type of symbols. This is union. This is called intersection. This is called belongs to. This is does not belong to. This is called subset. This is called subset or equal. These are the symbols you have to use in sets. Now, this is called union, this is called intersection, this is called belongs to, this is called does not belong to, this is subset, this is subset or equal. Subset or equal to. In this way, you can calculate the sums now. See, first of all, you have to take the union. Union means you have to take all the elements in set A and B. See, here A, this is B, this is called mu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here set A means 1, 2, 3 elements are present in set A. B means 3, 4, 5. Here set A 1, 2, 3 elements, set B 3, 4, 5 elements. If you write A union B, you have to take all elements. All elements you have to take in A and B. Right, means A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way you can write. B union A means B. B union means that is also 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. You can also write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements we have to take. This is called union. Now, intersection. In intersection, you have to take only common elements. you have to take only common elements. A intersection B is equal to, that means only 3 is present here. That's why you can write A intersection B means common elements both in A and B sets. We have to take only common elements. Right? In this way, you can calculate A union B and A intersection B. Here, I will give you some brief discussions about union and intersection and minuses. Right? Say, let us take A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. These are the elements in A. Now you have to find 1 A union A, 2 A intersection A, third one A intersection 5, the fourth one A union 5. 5 means empty bracket. 5 means empty bracket. Now you have to find A union A intersection B, A intersection 5, A union 5. How can we find out? See, first of all, the first one is A union A. A means 1, 2, 3 union. What is that? A. Again you have to write A, 1, 2, 3. In union you have to write the elements present in A, the elements present in A also. Here 1, 2, 3 are A, 1, 2, 3 are A. Now you can write line order 1, 2, 3. You should not write repeated numbers. You should not write, not necessary to write 2 times. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. That means A union A means that is equal to A. Say A intersection A. A intersection A means 1, 2, 3 intersection 1, 2, 3. Here you have to take common elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 is common, 2 is common here and 3 is common here. Right? 1, 2, 3 is the answer. That means also A. A union A is equal to A. A intersection A is equal to A also. Now you go for the next third one. A intersection 5. A intersection 5. Now A means 1, 2, 3. Intersection 5 means empty bracket. 5 means empty bracket. Here you have to take common elements both the sets. Here 1, 2, 3 elements are present in first set and no element is present in second set. That's why common elements is no. That's why you can write empty set. That means 5. A intersection 5 means 5. Now you go for the A union 5. Now already we know that A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Union 5 means empty set. In union you have to take elements either in first set or second set. That's why how many elements are there in first set? 1, 2, 3. You can write 1, 2, 3. Not necessary to common elements. That's why we get A. In this case, see, A union A is equal to A intersection A intersection A is equal to also A intersection 5 is equal to 5. A union B is equal to A union 5 is equal to A. In this way you can find out if the single set is given. We can calculate this type of sum. Next, you go for the another sum. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Now find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. See, first of all, you go for A union B. A union B means you have to write A elements. 1, 2, 3 union B elements. 2, 3, 4. Now A union B means you have to write the all elements present in A or B. Here 1, 2 is common here. We should not write 2 times. Only 1 time you have to write. 2, 3 is also common. You have to write 1 time only. And 4. That means A union B means you have to take elements present in A, elements present in B in order way. See, you go for A intersection B. A intersection B means you have to take A elements 1, 2, 3 intersection B elements 2, 3, 4. Here, what are the common elements? 2 and 3. These are the common elements. A intersection B means you have to take only common elements. Right? The answer is 2, 3 is the answer. A union B means 1, 2, 3, 4. A intersection B means 2, 3. In the same way, we can calculate next further A minus B. A minus B. A minus B. See. A minus B, first of all, if you find out A minus B, first of all you have to round up the common elements. 2 is common here, 3 is common here, right? Now A minus B means the elements present in, you have to take the common elements and remaining elements present in A is 1 only. You have to write 1 only. First of all, you have to take common elements, remove them, and the remaining elements present in A is called A minus B. In the same way, this is third one. Now fourth one. B minus A. B minus A means write down B 2, 3, 4 minus A 1, 2, 3. Now take common. 2, 3 are the common elements. You have to remove it. What are the elements left in first set? Only 4. The elements present in first set you have to take only in taking minus. Right? Say A minus B answer is 1. B minus A answer is 4. We can write A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Always A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Otherwise, if A and B are equal, A minus B and B minus B will be equal, then answer is 5. Right? Otherwise, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Now you go for the next another type of sum. Say, go for third sum. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. Now you have to find out Same, A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. Same, here A union B. What is that? A means 1, 2, 3. Union B means 4, 5, 6. Now A union B, you have to take all elements present in first set and second set. Here 1, 2, 3 elements are in first set, 4, 5, 6 in second set. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the elements in A union B. See, A intersection B. A intersection means A 1, 2, 3. Intersection B means 4, 5, 6. Here there are no common elements between them. A 1, 2, 3. B 4, 5, 6. Are there any common elements? There are no common elements between two sets. That's why A intersection B is equal to 5. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, there are no common elements between them. A intersection B always 5. Here you can, if A and B are disjoint sets, A and B are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets means the elements present in A are not equal to elements present in B. Both are different. That's why if A and B are disjoint sets, then A intersection B is equal to 5. So next you go for A minus B and B minus A. See, A minus B and B minus A. If A and B are disjoint set, already we said that. Here, are there any common elements? There are no common elements between them. That's why you have to write all elements in first set. That means 1, 2, 3. Now B minus A. B minus A means you have to write B. B 4, 5, 6 minus 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 4, 5, 6 and A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now you have to subtract A values from B. There are no common elements between them. Now you have to write all elements present in first set, 4, 5, 6. In this way you can calculate this type of sum is given. Now you go for the another one. Now you have to take A is equal to 1, 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now find again A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. See, A union B. What is the A here? 1, 2. Union B. 1, 2, 3. Now write down A union B. A union B means all the elements present in first set and second set also. Here all elements 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 are repeated. We should not bother about repeated value. We have to write only one time, not two times. 1, 2, 3. That means B. Here there is a formula. If A subset B, then are present in set B, and additional elements also present in B also. That means A subset B. Now, if A subset B, then A union B is equal to B. It is a very important formula. Second, A intersection B. A 1 2 intersection 1 2 3. Here common elements you have to write. What are the common elements? 1 2. 1 2 elements you have to write. That means 1 2 means A. If A subset B, then A intersection B is equal to A. This is also one of the important formulas. Got it? Now you go for the A minus B and B minus A also. See, A minus B. See, A minus B means here first of all common the elements in both A and B sets. Now how many elements are left in the first set? Already common, you have to take 1 2 common, 1 2 common. Here no element is present in set A. That's why it is 5. A minus B, if A subset B, then A minus B is always 5. In the same way, for sum, B minus A is equal to B 1 2 3 minus A 1 2. Here common elements you have to take. What is the elements present in first set? Only 3 is there. Here A minus B, if A subset B, A minus B is equal to 5, and B minus A means there are some elements present in B. You can write that elements only. That's why you can solve it. Now you go for the another important topic. Venn diagrams. In Venn diagrams, we already said that A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. Now you can find with using Venn diagrams also. Say, the first one, A union B. A union B means you have to take all the elements in A and B. This is A union B. And A intersection B. A intersection B means you have to take common elements between A and B. This is called A intersection B. A union B means A and B elements and common elements you have to take. A intersection B means only common elements you have to take. Now, this is called A minus B. Common elements you have to take and remain. This is B minus A. Now, A delta B. This is called A delta B. A delta B means A minus B and B minus A. That means A minus B union B minus B. This is A delta B. Or this is also called A union B minus A intersection B. Totally, this is A union B. A union B, you have to subtract A intersection B from it. That means A union B minus A intersection B also called A delta B. In the same way, A minus B union B minus A also called A delta B. This is a very important formula. Now, A subset, this is called A subset B. That means all the elements present in B is called A subset B. In this way, you can also find out using Venn diagrams. Okay, students, these are the sets. You can easily find out different type of sums in sets. Okay, all the